21 years ago, Yamaha released their R1. Amazing 98. Over the years, changed its shape. Along came the R6, changed its shape. R3 came along. Now it's changed its shape once again. And just look at this. It looks like the R6. Absolutely gorgeous. And I personally think it's the best looking bike in its class. But let's talk about the engine. I'm not convinced that the engine is the same. 321cc, double overhead camshaft, fuel injection and forged pistons this year. Whoa, means you could even put nitrous and a turbo on it. Or maybe not. But this thing revs, screams revs. I think it makes more horsepower at the top end than the previous model. On these stunning, beautiful new R1s like digital clocks. One problem with a out-and-out superbike or sports bike is the riding position. Normally crouched over, not with this one. It's a beautiful everyday riding motorcycle, I think, and I'm getting on. Doesn't hurt my back. Talking of getting on, I am sick of people saying that this is the ideal beginner's sports bike. Load of rubbish. I'm getting on, and I've been riding this every day, folks, and it is a fantastic motorcycle in its own right. Ride, reliability, great on fuel consumption, and let's get back to it. Just look at it. You can't get better than that. What a sweet handling motorbike. Now, I mentioned earlier that people say it's aimed at the youth. The problem with getting the youth on a motorbike is to get them off their phones. They never get off their phone. See? Get off your phone. Give me that. Get on that. Get on it. And tell me if that is better than that. Youth. Back, or are you going to go home on that? Well, there you go, it's a miracle, because the youth prefers the bike to the phone. But how am I going to get home now? Never thought of that. Okay. Might as well walk.